sound difference is insane, how much quieter it is than a standard impact. There are certain job sites that I've been on that they won't even allow impact, so having something like this is a total game changer.
You don't have the ringing in your ears. You can hear other things going on around you, which makes it safer.
The surge is smoother, quieter, less vibrations.
The harder you have to squeeze your hand because of the vibration of a tool, you're going to get cramping and tightness. So not having that impact on your wrist, your arm, you definitely notice the difference.
With smoother driving, I definitely feel less fatigued, so it just allows you to get more done in a day, get more fasteners, and the control, being able to use it in more applications.
I have the same capability of driving in my anchors as I do with a regular impact, but I have less noise and less vibration. It's just a better tool.